Hello everybody, I hope that you are doing very well and welcome back to another cryptocurrency technical analysis, where in today's video I'm going to be going over how I am currently trading Bitcoin and exactly what's on the screen right now. So I hope that you thoroughly enjoy this one, and yeah, let's get straight into it because look how exciting and amazing this move is right now. Yeah, amazing. So as you know from yesterday's video, which I updated you on, I was in that short position on Bitcoin, but definitely remaining bullish and looking for the longs and just waiting for that opportunity to take that long, because I was remaining bullish on this chart, and that opportunity was very nicely given to me. So what we can see, so this is like a reaccumulation range, okay? So obviously you have your buying climax, your secondary test, you're the resistance of the creek here, and a few shakeouts at the lows, and the shakeouts at the lows was what made me decide to reaccumulate at the lows here. So if you would like to pause the screen and read some of this, very nice indeed. But yeah, what we actually have here is like a resistance of the creek, and this is just like a wavy resistance trend line, so to speak, okay? So you can tell the importance of, really 8,750. That was the resistance to break, and obviously I was posting this on Twitter also yesterday that, in that long position, really you need to try and break the creek, but I'm already accumulating at the lows here, okay? From accumulating at those lows, we can say that's worked very nice indeed, because we now find ourselves at 8,950. okay, so what do you want to be aware of now? Okay, all well and good, we've traded this good so far, but to remain in profits, how are we going to trade this? Like, what I'm looking for now is there's a few key resistances. Obviously 9,000 psychological is holding you down right now, okay? And this could potentially be a top and we just head down from here. Why could that be? Firstly, you do have to acknowledge that we had a rise in price, obviously here breaking the top, and that did come with a decrease in open interest. So you saw a decrease in open interest, you saw lots of liquidations, you also saw the volume is not as high as taking the previous high, a bit of bearish divergences. So this is like a sense of you could pull back from here, but that does not mean I'm shorting it, because I'm not shorting this right now. But for me, I would short if we come back into the range with an increase in bear volume and a close. That for me would equal a short. But shorting here is not a trade I'm willing to take at the moment. I'm happy to be in my long position, and if we continue to move up from here, I've got 9,1, just before this really, but around 9,150 region, 9,500 region. 9,500 region, 9,150 region, as next areas of resistance, okay? In terms of support, if we do come back into here, I would close out my long and enter a short if we come back in on increasing bear volume. That's key for me. Kind of like a swing failure pattern here on a higher term time frame, okay? And if you get that higher term time frame swing failure, then really you'd be, you're firstly looking at 8,750, because 8,750 is still support. 8,750, 8,730 is still support. So you could take the quick scalp down to there. But if things start getting very bearish, which you have to be prepared for all scenarios, if things do start getting very bearish with a big a lot of follow through, then really you'd be looking down to 8,500, 8,200, 8,300 still, okay, for like bearish scenarios. But yeah, this was just a really quick video just to show you how like recognizing the signs, don't follow the crowd, because I can almost guarantee no one else would have posted this reaccumulation pattern. So you want to not do what the general public's doing, not do what average Joe is sort of doing. Really look into the charts, do your own technical analysis, and just like find these hidden sort of gems on the chart, because that really was a hidden gem which led me to deciding to rebuy. And whether I'm right or wrong, whether this goes higher or lower, at the end of the day, I've still made money. So whether I'm right or wrong, I made money, and that's all I care about. So it's been a very good day indeed, I think. And reading some of the comments here, like this guy made a month's salary in the last 2 days of trading. I have to say that the group's going very well. People like learning. This is another one. A little bit off topic from technical analysis, but these sort of comments like this is just like, for me, this is why I'm doing this. This is totally why I am like a mentor on top of a trader right now, because for me it's so rewarding. At the end of the day, right now in my position though, it's not really about the money in trading. I'm trading because I absolutely love it, but yeah, on top of that, to like have the warmth and like happiness that I can like provide people is just like, it's better than winning trades. I'm not gonna lie, it's absolutely lovely. So to like read comments like that, to read comments like this is just, for me, the best right now. So yeah, I'm really happy, really positive. Going back to technical analysis, I think all you need to be aware of, okay, so a few things that you want to be aware of. If we pull back, how much bear volume do you pull back on? Is it an increase in bear volume, an increase in bearish delta? And on the flip side, if you manage to maintain this range, okay, then you got to trade it up for higher levels. But I am ready for a short if the opportunity is presented. I'm not trying to time the high, so I'm not going to short outside of the range just because I have no interest in trying to time the absolute high. But as soon as I get a weakness, okay, really coming back into the range, I'm more than happy to short this and close out the long. But it's just like right now at this exact price, I don't have that on the chart yet. Okay, all you've done so far is break out, back testing. We are getting lower highs here, so I'm careful here. I'm not getting euphoric, but yeah, at the moment as I speak, this can change like this, but at the moment it's looking okay. So that's how I'm trading it, staying a little bit on edge, ultimately looking for higher prices, but aware that the psychological 9,000 is holding us down. But at the moment, until we come back into the range, all is good. All is very good indeed. So thank you once again for watching this video. I hope that it's been helpful for you. Yeah, I think that's all I'd like to really go over in this video thus far. I hope that it's been helpful. I hope that you could have going back to my tweet here. I love it when I follow no one on Twitter. I can just see my own stuff. But yeah, hopefully that was helpful for you and me identifying that one if you just follow on Twitter. But yeah, thank you once again, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers and goodbye.